supplies are pretty basic, so let's get started. There will be links in the description below, so go check them out. We'll start with a magic ring. Get your end of your yarn, wrap it around your middle finger, bring it to the front of your working yarn, go under your tail, grab the working yarn, and do 1 chain. Now we'll do 5 single crochets into the ring. You can tighten your end of your tail. And now in each stitch we will do 2 single crochets for a total of 10 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, till we get 10. We'll stop increasing at this point once we reach the 10 single crochets, and we will keep crocheting only those single crochets here. We start in a new row without any increases anymore. And this will produce a tube, and you will have a tube just like this. And you can put your foam roller inside the tube. The easiest thing to do is to have your roller inside while you crochet, so you know how long to go. And once you reach the desired length, you just cut your yarn. We will not gonna be decreasing with the crochet hook, we'll be decreasing with our needle. So grab your tapestry needle, and now we'll be picking the front loops of each stitch, but 2 at a time. So we'll grab the front 2 loops of the next 2 stitches and then pull. Then we'll go through the next front loops of the next 2 stitches and pull through and tighten. And then again we're picking only the front stitches of the next 2 loops. So we are picking the front loops of the next 2 stitches. And we have to do this only 5 times because we have 10 stitches. And now our end looks exactly the same like our beginning. And we can go 1 more time around the loops, just through them so we have a secure end. And then you finish your work by going through the stitch there, the closest one. Go out. Try to make an invisible knot here, like with 1 twist or 2 twists. And then go back to the same loop so that knot can stay inside the body of the worm. Okay, gently pull. You see it disappeared inside, and it still looks like it's part of my stitches. And they go in and out along the body, so you can cut that tail off and still have a secure stitch. And now it's time to glue the eyes with my glue gun. I'm using a silicone mat here for my glue gun, so I don't damage my surface. So please use supervision with kids and be careful since it's a hot tool. Isn't he a cutie?